As I'm Dr. Neeta Pandey, owner and director of Dr. Neeta's Homeopathy Clinic, I'm going to start with a new series today, which is a pediatric series. Here, I'm going to explain all the things like changes, growth factor, what are the changes in the growth you might need to know for your children, what are the disease diagnoses you need to know, what are the precautions and vaccinations you need to consider in the children. The first topic which I am starting today is the key gross motor developmental milestone which you need to observe for a children from 3rd month up to the 4 years of age. The 3 month children will have a neck holding capacity. They have the capacity to hold their neck. The neck will not rotate here and there every now and then. The 6 month children which have the capacity to roll over, they will roll over from one place to another, or they will roll over at one specific place at a time. The 6 month children, they can sit in a tripod positions, but they need a support while sitting. The 8 month children, they can sit without a support. The 9 month children, they will try to stand, but while standing they need to hold something, so they need a support. The 12 month children, they can stand alone. They try to stand, they try to walk, but they might fall sometimes. They can creep very well. 15 month children, they can creep very well. 18 month children, they will try to run here and there, explore the drawers, try to remove the items which were kept in our drawers. Like the 2 years of children, they can walk upstairs and downstairs very easily. But while taking a movement, 2 feet take a 1 step at a time. Next comes the 3 years of children. They can ride a tricycles very easily. While riding a tricycles or while moving, alternate feet, which is an alternate feet, they takes an upstairs firstly. Next comes the 4 years of children. Here they will try to hop on a one foot and the alternate foot will go in the downstairs. In pediatric series, today's topic is the period of growth, the terminologies which are used for it. In period of growth, it has been divided into 3 parts, which is like a prenatal, postnatal and adolescent. Prenatal, it includes ovum, and then comes the embryo. After embryo, there comes the fetus, and after there comes the perinatal period. Ovum is considered up to 0 to 14 days of gestation. After ovum, embryo is formed, which is 14 days up to 8 to 9 weeks of gestation. After that, the fetus, which is 9 weeks up to as soon as the baby is formed, that is after the birth. Next comes the perinatal part, which is 22 weeks up to 7 days after the birth of the baby. Next comes the postnatal part. Here the baby is already born. Now the terminologies here used are like newborn, infant, early school, that is a preschool, and school age children, the toddlers. Here the newborn terminology is used for a child who is like the first 4 weeks as soon as the baby is born, or you can say the first month. Next comes the infant, which is used for 1 year of a child. After that comes the toddler, which is used for 1 to 3 years of a children. Then comes the preschool. It is like around 3 to 6 years of a child. Proper school going children, they are around 6 to 12 years of age. After postnatal period, there comes the adolescent, which is divided into early, middle and late adolescent. Early adolescent, which includes the children around 10